Hey everyone, I'm Daisy with Dherbs.com. Here at Dherbs, we get a lot of health-related questions, and today we're going to answer some viewer questions about superfoods. Our first question comes from Mick. Hello Dherbs, I've been hearing a lot about superfoods and how they're great for your health and everything, but honestly, all of it just confuses me. One day, garlic is out and cacao is in, and a week later, they've switched places. Is there an actual list of what counts as a superfood? Mick, this is fiction. Superfood doesn't have a scientific definition or any legal standard, but in general, it's used to describe foods that are nutrient-rich but have low calories, like walnuts, cacao, acai, berries, or even broccoli. But you're right, since there's no strict definition, not everyone agrees on what foods count, and some will shift on and off the list based on the writer's preferences, or, you know, what they want to sell the most that month. Our next question comes from Jamie. Hi Dherbs, I'm always doing research on new diets and health options to improve my life, and the hype around superfoods isn't really like anything I've seen before. So I wanted to reach out to you guys and ask, are superfoods special? Jamie. Jamie, this is fiction. Superfoods are generally good for you, but the label doesn't make them anything special. In reality, it's a marketing label to help food companies sell these foods more effectively. That doesn't mean they're not good for you, but you still have to make sure to get all your vitamins, minerals, and calories. Superfoods are great, but they're not a silver bullet or a full meal. Our final question comes from Lance. Hey Dherbs, me and my friends are a really health-conscious group, and we talk about new tips and trends we've heard about a lot. They're all very on board of the whole superfood hype train, but I think eating organic is better for you than the superfood of the week. Am I right, or what? Lance. Lance, this is a fact. This one isn't completely cut and dry, but you're right that eating organic is generally better for your health than eating food that's been treated with pesticides, and most superfoods aren't grown organically. This is because when they get popular, demand goes through the roof, and farmers have to change their practices to faster and more destructive methods to keep up. So that does mean cutting into more rainforests, less biodiversity, and treating more crops with pesticides. However, super nutrient-rich superfoods like quinoa can be important supplements to diets in areas where people have limited access to low-calorie, high-nutrient foods. Like we discussed last week, organic is good, but not always best. So you have to make the best choice for yourself, and you're right, eating organically is a solid one. That's all for today. Thanks for watching Fact or Fiction. If you have a question you want answered, you can email us at factorfiction@dherbs.com or message us on social media. In the meantime, like, subscribe, and don't forget to stay healthy.